Catalyst wedges. Today, I'm gonna use wedge number 2. I seen Color Me Saw, he used this on a Dutch pour. I'm gonna do something very similar. However, not just your typical Dutch pour, I'm gonna do a chaos style Dutch pour, and then I'm gonna take my Catalyst wedge and I'm gonna do a whoop-de-doo through it. Yeah, let's see what happens. So, if you're curious and wanna watch me make a mess on the canvas, I invite you down to the canvas. And as always, my name is Tiffany Romine and welcome to my channel. Okay, seriously, I know you don't see it on video, but I stood there for like 5 minutes before I put that Catalyst wedge down. It's the scariest thing ever because once you hit the canvas with the wedge, you gotta move, you gotta go forward. There's no hesitation, there's no opportunity for a do-over, there is nothing. So as you can see, as I dragged it through, I did do a little bit of splash up with the paint and the negative space, which I didn't intend to do, and I wanna clean up the tip a little bit. So I'm just gonna spend a little bit of time cleaning that up. I would, encourage all of you. I will put the description or the link down in the description below to Color Me Saw and his Instagram page, so you can go check out and see the cool stuff that he does with the Catalyst wedge if you're looking for some inspiration and some additional ideas. So that's it for now. If you're enjoying my content, please hit the like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you know when I post a new video. And since we're getting close to the holidays, happy holidays. I know what's in the box. I've been waiting days for these. I got Catalyst wedges! Yay! The paintings I will make. I don't know how to use them. I have no idea.